Yeah, man. Big up to Kirk, the miracle worker, man. I travel all the way from St. Ann. Where everybody feel me, Kirk no feel me at all. Respect, man.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. We're doing a quick video for you guys. We checked this underfit system and realized that the compressor is not pumping properly. Also, the condenser leaking and the oil in the system is very dark. So guys, I'm going to show you the expansion valve, and if you look through the inlet and the outlet, you can see the dark oil inside of it. So guys, I'm gonna show you also the condenser and the compressor. So this is the condenser leaking. It's a dark spot, and to the other side also. So I'm also gonna show you the compressor, and I'm gonna tilt the compressor so you can see the dark oil coming out of it. The oil should be very clear. So it's the oil running out through the eye side. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe, hit that small bell so you'll be notified every time we drop a new video. Guys, this is the compressor that we're going to use. Use genuine compressor and use genuine condenser. We fit the compressor on the engine, so we are reinstalling back the belt on the compressor pulley wheel. We finished fit the compressor and the condenser on the vehicle, so we're going to pressurize the system. Once there's no leak, we're going to vacuum and regas. Guys, we start the engine, turn on the AC. We already regas the system, and you can see the AC compressor chipping in and out. That's a good sign that the AC is cooling properly. Guys, look at the line. Pipe sweating a lot of water. Right now guys, I'm going to check inside the vehicle, and the AC is blowing cold. Another successful job from Kirk School Year Auto. Guys, please like and share this video, and if you're new on the channel, do the right thing, subscribe. That's it guys, see you in the next video. Keep safe.